Most people think AI tools are the problem when results feel disappointing. The truth is usually different. The problem is unclear direction and weak structure. AI responds exactly to how you guide it, not to what you hope. If your instruction is vague, the output will always feel generic. The first mistake is asking for results without defining the role clearly. You must tell the AI who it is before asking what it should produce. For example, say you are a YouTube strategist with experience in automation. Now the model knows how to think before it writes anything. The second mistake is skipping the audience definition completely. Always define who the content is for and what level they have. If you skip this step, the answer floats without focus. The third mistake is missing the outcome description entirely. You must describe what success looks like in one clear sentence. Without that, AI guesses your goal and usually guesses wrong. The fourth mistake is ignoring constraints like length and format. Constraints create precision, and precision creates better results. Say how long the output should be and what structure to follow. If you want chapters, say chapters. If you want bullets, say bullets. Never assume the tool understands your preferred format automatically. Now let us talk about refinement, which most beginners ignore. Never publish the first answer the model gives you. Always run a second pass, asking for improvements and clarity. Ask what is missing and where the logic feels weak. Ask for stronger examples and clearer explanations. This two-step method alone improves quality dramatically. Now consider tool selection, which many creators misunderstand. ChatGPT works very well for structured outputs and fast iteration. Claude performs better when long context and deep reasoning are required. The mistake is using one tool for every task blindly. Build a workflow where each tool has a defined function. 4 outlines and hooks use ChatGPT for speed and structure. 4 long documents and policy-style text use Claude for depth. Another mistake is failing to reuse successful prompts. When something works, save the prompt and refine it over time. Create a master template that includes role, audience goal, and constraints. Reuse that template for every new project and adjust only variables. This turns random AI usage into a repeatable system. Now think about automation if you repeat a task weekly. Connect a spreadsheet to ChatGPT using Zapier to generate drafts. Send those drafts into Google Docs for review and editing. You remain the decision maker and AI becomes the assistant. This mindset shift changes everything about productivity. Stop asking for magic answers and start designing better inputs. When your inputs improve, your outputs improve consistently. Over time, this builds authority and trust with your audience. That is how professionals use AI tools strategically, not by comparing endlessly, but by building structured workflows. If you follow this framework, your results will feel controlled. And controlled systems are what grow channels sustainably.